Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. Thanks for tuning in. Not too long ago on a YouTube premiere, I created these ornaments as one of the projects for the premiere. And I wanted to show you how I am going to gift these ornaments and at the same time use it as a focal point for the card. So here's a tip for you today. You want to know, or you want to let your recipient know inside the card that this is an ornament and can be pulled off the front. Now you can see here I've been experimenting with this, but I found a way to do it where you would have less damage to the card front. Okay, you can see here where some of the designer paper was ripped off when I initially used a glue dot to attach it. Okay, so this is what I'm going to suggest you do. Here's the card front for this one. You can see I had a glue dot here and here, and that didn't work out too well for me. But if you take some of our Tombow multi-purpose liquid glue, and I know I'm going to place this here. You don't want to adhere the little hanger, the linen thread hanger behind it, so be sure that's extended there. You can center this and then know where you're going to place it and just put, I'm just going to put one. I'm going to put a dot of that liquid glue, and then I'm going to put that aside and let it completely dry. And so what is going to happen is you're going to get a little sticky spot here, much like a glue dot, but it will have a better effect on your card when the ornament is removed. And so if I put that, you can see it's not going to fall off, but it is very easily removed. And the glue dot here, the dried glue, won't come off, but yet it's good enough stick to hold that ornament there while you send that. So there you have a card and a gift in one. I hope you will take advantage of that tip and use it. You know, you can think about anything that you're going to put on the front of your cards and make it in the shape that would look good as a Christmas ornament. So circle shapes, a lot of label shapes would do well. And just do your focal point there. Put your embellishments. The ribbons are all attached to this circle so that when it's removed, there you go. And it's a gift and a card in one. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Visit InkandInspirations.com for more ideas, and I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.